Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss probability, class 10, exercise 13.1, problem number 4-5. In the previous video, we have seen what are equally likely events. In this session, we are going to discuss how to find the probability of the given problems. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Probability and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Question number 4. A bag contains lemon flavored candles only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out? First one, an orange flavored candy. Second one, a lemon flavored candy. Let us see the solution. So here one bag it is there. That bag it is containing only lemon flavored candles only. So lemon flavored candles only it is the bag is having. So in that Malini takes out candy without looking into the bag. The probability of she takes out an orange flavored candy. So it is the bag is having only lemon flavored candies only. So how we can get the orange flavored candy? So it is we are not getting the orange flavored candy. So this bag is containing only lemon flavored. Only lemon flavored. So here asked that only orange flavored candy only they asked. How it is? Is it possible? So lemon flavored candy we can take the orange flavored candy. So it is impossible. So what is the probability of impossible event? That is 0. So now you can take the solution. For first one I am saying this is taking, so given a bag contains lemon flavored candy. Flavored candles. Only it is having the lemon flavored candles only. So now taking an orange flavored candy is impossible. Taking an orange flavored candy is an impossible event. So impossible event, that probability is 0. So therefore the probability of an orange flavored candy is is 0. We are getting the 0. Next, in this second one, a lemon flavored candy. So in the all lemon flavored candies only there. So we are picking one. What we are getting? Another one we can get? No. All are in this lemon flavored only. So we are getting that is we are getting the that lemon candy only we are getting. So like that one what we can say? All equal chance. So all are in the bag, all are lemon flavored only. So we are getting the, if we can pick, we are getting the lemon flavor. Like that events we can say sure event. So what we have to say, that is sure event. What is the probability of sure event? The probability of sure event is always 1. So now here you can taking an taking a lemon flavored candy is a sure event. Sure event, that probability is 1. Therefore, the probability of a lemon flavored candy is 1. So, in the bag only lemon flavored only. So, in that we are asking another color means we are not getting. So, that's why it is the impossible event. Impossible event 1, that probability is 0. So, here in this lemon flavored only there. So, if we can pick any time we can pick, we are getting lemon flavored only. Like that events we can say sure event. So, sure event 1, the probability of sure event is 1. Next question, it is exercise 13.1, question number 5. Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. What is the probability of, first one, getting an ace from the remaining pair? Second one, getting a diamonds. Third one, getting a card that is not a heart. Fourth one, getting the ace of the hearts. Here a deck of pack it is given. A deck of pack in total how many cards it will be? 52 cards. So what type of cards it is? So here black cards and red cards. Black in spades and clubs. Here red in heart and diamond. So heart cards and diamond cards. So here what is the question? Rahim removes the all heart cards. So this all heart cards it is here this removed. So remaining how many cards it will be? So spades are 13, clubs also 13 and diamonds also 13. 13 plus 13 plus 13, that is total 39 cards it will be. Total 39 cards. So total number of outcomes equal, we are getting 39. So what is the first question here? Getting an ace from the remaining pair. Getting an ace. So here spade in 1 we are getting, club also 1 we are getting. Here this totally we removed, no need that one. So here diamond also we got 1 ace card. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So total how many ace cards remaining the deck of the pack? So total 3. So what is the probability of getting an ace from the removing pair? That is 3 by 39. So number of favorable to an ace from the remaining pair by total number of cards. So 3 by 39. So like that each and every one we are discussing now. Total cards in a pack, in a deck of pack, equal 52. Number of, so what he removed? Heart cards. Number of hearts in a deck of cards equal 13 it will be. How many it is? In a heart cards it will be 13. When the heart cards removed, then the number of cards equal total 52 to 13 it is subtracted, that is 39. So total 39 cards it will be. So first question here. So what is first question? Getting an ace from the remaining pair. So getting an ace from the remaining pair. So total possible outcomes, that is 39 total number of outcomes, possible outcomes are outcomes equal 39. Number of favorable outcomes equal. So number of favorable outcomes. So where we have number of favorable outcomes to an is from the remaining pack equal. So number of favorable outcomes to an is from the remaining pack. So in that remaining pack, in one spade is and one club is and diamond is, total 3 it will be. So 3. So probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So that equal number of favorable outcomes to an is from the remaining pack, how many it is? That is 3 by total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes it will be 39. So that equals 3 1 the 3, 3 13 the 39. So 1 by 13. Getting an ace from the remaining pack. So the probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack equals 1 by 13. Next it is, so what is next one? Getting a diamonds. In this second one, getting a diamonds. This is second one. So in this total outcomes, total number of outcomes equal, already we discussed, that is 39. Number of favorable outcomes to a diamond. So number of favorable outcomes to a diamond shaped one. So how many favorable outcomes to diamond? So each shape we are getting 13, spades we are getting 13, clubs we are getting 13, heart 13 and diamond also we are getting 13. Total how many cards it will be? Diamond cards, that is 13. Number of favorable outcomes to diamond equal 13. So probability of getting a diamond equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes to getting a diamond is, that is 13 by total number of outcomes it will be 39. So 13 1 is 13, 13 3 is 39. So what is the probability of getting a diamond? That is 1 by 3. Next, getting a card, that is not a heart. So here You can take fourth one. Number of favorable outcomes. Two. Not a heart equal. Not a heart means here, see here, spade, not a heart, spade, clue and diamond. So here not a heart means this remaining three only now. So spade in 13 and spade in 13, clue in 13 and diamond in 13. Total how many we can get? That is 39 cards will be. So already it is removed the hot cards also. So total cards too we are getting the finding the probability. So here we are getting 39. So probability of getting a card that is not a heart equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So that equal number of favorable outcomes is 39 by number of total outcomes, that is 39. 39 that is 1. So probability of getting a card that is not a heart, what is the probability? We got here 1. Next it is fourth one, that is getting the ace hearts. Getting the ace of hearts. So here total number of outcomes already we discussed it, that is 39. Number of favorable outcomes to the ace of heart equal. So here in the deck of cards, spade, clue, diamond and heart. So here Rahim removes the all heart cards. It is this heart cards it is removed. So what is our question? Number of favorable outcomes to the ace of heart. Is it possible? So this ace of heart, all we this heart cards all we removed. All are we removed the heart cards. So we are getting in that ace heart. So it is we are not getting. We are not getting means that is the impossible one. Impossible one we can take 0. So probability of getting the ace of heart equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes is 0 by total number of outcomes is 39. 0 by 39 value we are getting 0. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.